Hi, do you know this invoice is being made in MS Excel? Let's learn how. Hello and welcome to my channel Mastering Excel with Rinku. I'm starting with a new series number, Applications of MS Excel. Today I'm going to create an invoice in MS Excel. As you can see, the data for whole invoice is there. What we all need to do is just to format it. So we start with the header, which is Boya Consulting, the firm's name. A header has to be bold and conspicuous. So we will merge 4 columns by using the command merge in center in the alignment section. Then we will adjust the font size using the font size in the font section and will make it bold by using the bold command B selecting. Now let's perform the similar things for the word invoice. We have made it bold and changed the font size, but now it's not visible. Let's again merge cells to make it visible. Now to give it a border, we'll go to border under font section and select the border. Rest of the data is looking very pale. So to highlight it, I'll change the font of the whole data. I'm selecting the complete data and then I'll go to the font size and change the font type to Arial Black. As soon as I change the font type, some of the text is not visible. So I'll adjust the column width by selecting the column name. You can see that arrow name, and if we drag it, the size of the column will increase. Similarly, I can increase the size of the width of the row also. Now, I need to format the dates. For that, I'll go to number, and here the short date and long date are coming. I'll change it to long date, again adjust the column width. Similarly, I'll change the date for the other one with the short one. Now you can see the difference between the two dates. Now this date is appearing far away from this date actual. So I'll copy it here, or I can cut paste by using the right click of the mouse. Since it was not looking nice, so I've changed the font type of the date again. Now similarly, I'll give borders to rest of the invoice one by one by selecting whatever border lines I need to give. Now you must be wondering what is this signature line and how it can be inserted. So let's learn how to do it. For this, I'll go to insert. Under text, there's insert Microsoft signature line. I'll search Microsoft signature line, I'll put in the details, and that's it. The file is there. Our invoice is ready, but the grid lines are looking a bad look. So we'll go to view and remove the grid lines checkbox. As you can see, now it's an empty page without the grid lines, looking like a real invoice. Let's save this file by saving save. If you want to export it to PDFs, go to File, Save As, give it a path and save it as PDF by selecting the PDF from the file types. Since I've selected an already existing file, it asks for me whether it can replace the file. I'll say yes. The invoice is now ready. Please let me know in the comment section how did you find this video. If you want to learn something new, something special, please let me know in the comment section. I'll cover it in my next video. Thank you and have a nice day.